Got a question. Do you happen to have ADHD? Just wondering.
Say to me, you'll let me be your man. And please say to me, you'll let me hold your hand. Yeah, let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. And when I touch you, I'll feel
I can't
happy
see anything.
inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. You got that something I think you'll understand when I say there's something